How's it going, my YouTube friends? Stefan here. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is gonna be for all of you who doesn't know how to charge the Mi Band 4. I'm gonna show you how to charge your Mi Band 4. Very simple, very easy. Some people is complaining that this is not good, but there's no problem for me. Very simple. So to remove the band from the watch, you just do like this. You put it on the side. So this is the Mi Band 4. As you can see, there's a 2 pins here. This is how you connect your Mi Band 4 to the charger. When you buy your Mi Band 4, comes with this charger. As you can see, you have the 2 pins here. So very simple, very easy. Just put the Mi Band 4 on the top. Make sure it's on the top. And as you can see now, you can charge the Mi Band 4 in any USB. Just plug it to your laptop or to your TV or to your basically anywhere that you can charge this Mi Band 4. Very simple charge. The charge time is about 1 hour, which sometimes is less. But people complain that this is not good way to charge the Mi Band 4, which for me is okay. And plus, this thing has got a 20 days battery. You're gonna charge this maybe once a month. So I'm very impressed with the battery. If you want to see my previous video, double check it. I'm gonna leave the link down below. I'm gonna put it on the site as well, on the screen. Double check this video. Today actually, this is the 16th day, and I still have about 43% battery, which is amazing. So yeah, this is the way to charge the Mi Band 4. Very simple, very easy. If this is helpful, make sure you subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you very much one more time, and I wish you a lovely day from Stefan.